Hi guys, in today's video I will be giving a very basic tutorial on how to make wordcloud using Python. It's not very complicated but also not very beginner friendly tutorial, so I hope I will explain it well. And let's get started. So the libraries needed are three libraries. One is pandas, the wordcloud library, and the matplotlib library for plotting the wordcloud. So let's start by importing them. So as you can see, I have imported the libraries that are needed. So we are not going to be we are not going to be using any other libraries. So if you get an error while using this wordcloud library, that generally means that you have to install wordcloud, and it's by doing the pip install that I have showed in my other videos. So I hope you know how to do that. So after importing the necessary libraries, we will be importing the Excel file where our data frame is stored for the data that we want to make a word cloud. So I want to make a word cloud for about cars. So I have a data frame in Excel about cars. So let me import that. So as you can see, I have imported my file and I'm using the pandas function for reading an Excel file, and then I have given a path. Make sure to give a proper path, otherwise this will not work. So when I will run this, I can see in my variables that this has been entered in the computer, and I only want the car column. I don't want the model, volume, weight, carbon dioxide emissions. I don't want these. I just want the car. So for doing that, I'm going to write a code, and let's write it. Variable called text, and in this I am going to be splitting my first column, so it's 0, for a category in data frame car. So when I will run this, you can see that the text have now become this because I joined them. I asked them to join and not make it as a column. So now it's like this with all the cars. So this is what we want. So now I'm going to be creating a function called plot cloud. So let me write the code for it and explain what it is. In this function, I have written what these things are. So we are going to be setting the figure size, how big we want the word cloud to be. I just kept the normal figure 15 by 5, and then the display image. And then we don't want any axes because it's supposed to be an image and not a graph. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be designing my word cloud. Let me write the code and show you what I mean. So now I have created this variable called wordcloud, and in this I have given the things that are needed. I want my background color to be black, and the color map, like the colors of the text, will be plasma. There are so many you can choose from, like pastels and all that, but I'm choosing this because why not? And then these other parameters, and then in the last, generate my text. So to show this, I have to write one other piece of code, and which is plot cloud and then this word cloud variable. So plot so now when I will run this, it's gonna show us the image. So let me run this. Yeah, done. Wow, beautiful. So as you can see, I have in the black background and the bold colors. So what I want to do now is I want to show you what happens if I change these. So you will see that the quality reduces. See, it's more like pixelated now, like it's less HD. So let me just put that back. And the next step is to save the word cloud onto our desktop. So I'm going to be using the function called toFile. So word cloud, the variable, dot to file is basically saving the function, and then I'm going to be giving the path to where I want to save. It's going to be the same, and the name I want it to be called cloud.png file. So now when I'm going to run it again, it's going to show me this, just like that, and then I'm going to close this and see on my desktop. Uh, it saved this image on my desktop, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope that it was easy to follow. The code will be in the description box with uh, everything else that is needed, and please give it a likes and comment and share, because I am new at this and I'm not perfect at this, I must say. So thank you so much for watching.